Hello teacher, my family. Information personal. My name is Wilmar Cuenca. I am 30 years old. I am from Bogotá, TC, but live in Soacha, Ciudad Verde, with my wife and my son. I am operator Denver. I am studying a culinary at ONAT, and my free time play soccer. But my favorite hobby is spending family time. My favorite food is ajiaco. My favorite TV show is Amareville, and my favorite sport is soccer. Describing my family. My wife. There are three people in my family. My wife, she is 27 years old. She is an study and a student of child education. She is from Benadillo. My wife is very hard working, tall, dedicated to the home. Her eyes brown. She has black hair. She likes to cook, watch movies, and she loves sunflower. My children. He is my son Justin. He is 12 years old. He has brown hair, eyes brown. He is 10. He likes to play soccer and watch television. He lives with his mother and visits us from time to time. He is my son Santiago. He is 7 years old. He has brown hair, eyes brown. He likes to play soccer, and he likes to color and to draw. He loves animals. They are the members of my family. Thank you. Very good.